Welcome. If you want to get Mobile Legends on your Huawei Samsung without Google services, I'm going to show you a really easy way how you can get it. So we need the second smartphone with the Play Store, and also we have to download here this Mobile Legends game. In my case it's right here, and get the second application to transfer data. There is the phone clone. We are going to use it to transfer data, right? If you got the Huawei smartphone like me, this application, the phone clone will be as a default on your smartphone, so you don't have to get it, right? But if you got the Samsung, Xiaomi, LG, Sony or any other brand, you have to get this application like the Mobile Legends from the Play Store. So right now we can just go for these apps, open the phone clone on the both smartphones, and by the way, right here I got the Huawei P30 Pro Plus. Click here on this is the old phone on your smartphone with the Play Store, and this is the new phone on the smartphone without the Google services. Select the old phone type, so in my case I take the Huawei, and we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input this password right here manually. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the code, and right now we have to wait. They are connecting. Click right here to unselect all of the stuff. Oh, sorry, I just misclicked. Then just scroll down, enter apps and data, and right here we have to find our Mobile Legends application. It will be right here probably. Here it is. Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Click OK, tap transfer, click OK, and right now just input your log method. In my case it is the simple pattern. And as you can see, it's finished. So right now we can try to open the game and check if it is working. It is loading right now. And as you can see, right now we can create the new account or just switch to existing. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!